Hi, it's Anna from Prodio, and today I'm going to show you how to use RFID system, key fobs, to register work and to pick up different orders. So there you go. What do you need? You need a key fob, something like this. Oh, this one is pretty, it's grey. You need one reader, and you can get it for about $10 on eBay or Amazon, or you can use a different system, which is a wristband. This is in our color, pretty and orange. So that's all you need to start. So once you've got all the things, you need a computer, could be the old one, second-hand, and the most important, Prodio system to start using all the stuff. So let's get to work. I'm going to start work first, so I check in. I click the green button here, put the reader, key fob. I'm at work. I started my day. So. And I can take the first order. Well, I take this one first from the list. Let's click this one. It's on a chainsaw, right? Roll plate. Yep. This one. Click. I started working. So that's a production panel, and you can see what's going on. And you as a manager will see from any place in the world. Can be in your house, sitting, having a cup of coffee. What's going on? You would see exactly the same. Who's working? And on which order. Now I'm going to show you how to get this magic working and how to assign employees to their key fobs. So what you're going to do, go to the left hand side menu, go to settings, so choose this key symbol here, spanner. Scroll down to workers, you got it. Let's assign Tom, so let's choose Tom here. Get this here and simply click key fob reader and it's done. So I'm going to show you now how Tom starts his work. He can check into work on that phone, for example. Choose the green button, choose the key fob reader here, and he's ready at work. So when he's ready to pick his first production order for today, to start working on it. Let's choose this one. Choose Tom. Click. And he started working. When he did his job, he chooses the order, clicks, writes the number of pieces completed, and it's ready to stop. That's it. He finishes working on this order. At the end of the day, when Tom wants to go home, he again can check out on the phone, for example, clicking the red button, putting the key fob here. He's out, he can go home and finish for the day. It's super easy, as you can see. So if you have any questions, you can all the time contact our support team. We will be happy to help you with picking the right equipment, giving you advice how to set everything up so you can very quickly and smoothly register your production and you are fired up and ready to go. Thank you.